Roto's first 12 months is done. It's time for a Christmas giveaway. $12 months. 12 months I've been doing this channel, and I must admit it's gone very fast. I've enjoyed every minute. All the videos that I brought you this year have been a joy to do. Nothing was what I didn't want to do. I'm really, really pleased. And I'm really pleased with the amount of you that have subscribed and actually watched the videos. There's been thousands of you. It's been brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And to thank you all, and also to thank any new subscribers that make it in time, I am doing a Christmas giveaway. And that includes everything you see on the table. So K&F Concept, who have already sent us 2 tripods and a camera bag that I've already reviewed, you'll be able to see in previous videos, have kindly sent us another camera bag purely for our giveaway, which was very kind of them. And the first tripod that I reviewed, I'm also going to include. So you're going to have a K&F Concept double header in this giveaway. This new travel bag, which I'll open up for you in a minute because I haven't actually seen it. I haven't had a chance to even look at it properly, to be honest, but it's in the giveaway, as is the tripod. And also Shoot Photo sent us the LED lights in the previous video recently. I've also sent us some more to include in the giveaway. So this giveaway will include the camera bag, which is a awesome, very sturdy travel backpack camera bag, which I'll show you a little bit more in a second. The initial travel tripod, the first item that K&F Concept sent me to review, and the Shoot Photo LED light panel. You will get everything as it is here. Just to quickly show you, hiding under the instructions, we have the Shoot Photo panel LED light. I'll take it out of shrink wrapping for you so you know. The lucky person that wins it has got the one that I have actually touched. I won't take the protective film off, I'll let you do that. We'll turn it on and just see what we get. Oh, there we go, got a little bit of blue, red, green and blue LEDs already set up on there, but fully working with everything you would expect. Your charger and cables and the little mount so you can put it on a hot shoe or straight into whatever connector you want. Quickly now I can show you the tripod, which if you want to see a lot more in depth about this tripod, then I would recommend checking out the video. This thing's brilliant. This thing, if you don't already know, turns into a monopod as well as a lightweight travel tripod. Brilliant, and just something I wanted to bump up the Christmas giveaway, so I'm putting it in there. And on this camera backpack you've got a few mounting options for tripod, front and side, so I'll show you that now as well. So the backpack, the KF13.084 classic camera backpack, material nylon, colour in black. It can take 2 cameras and multiple lenses, and a laptop as well, which is quite a nice little bonus. I'll start with the back. As you can see, you've got nice big padded straps and a waist belt, which it just helps if you're going to be going on actual long journeys, walking with all your gear. This makes a big difference to the way you carry it. So yeah, these are really padded. I'm actually quite blown away by how thick the padding is, and even the padding on the back, so your back will be sort of supported nicely when you're carrying it. It won't be very uncomfortable. All looks like breathable mesh as well, so I don't know how hot and sweaty, that depends on how sweaty a person you are. And that's your laptop section. Now you've got 2 options on the side here. The main zip is going up and around the front, which fine. You've got clips on the side there, which if you were to unzip it, you can just clip it closed and it will stay closed. But that also is a section where you can put your tripod in there, or in that side exactly the same with exactly the same clip. So that's quite a nice touch. But you can also carry it on the front. So if you've got a small travel tripod that you want to use the side for water bottles or anything else, you can put it on the front just there. Extra secure pockets, which whatever you want to use them for. Little extra bits there. Clip, I suppose you want to put keys and wallet and things, but I probably wouldn't have them on the front of my bag, to be honest, because you can't keep an eye on it. So maybe memory cards, things like that, anything extra. Now we'll take a little look down here. I'll unzip this so you can see on the overhead camera exactly what is in here. So, Oh, that's a nice little bonus. We got a little squeezy pump, water bottle, empty water bottle spray, little pen. So if you want to clean your lenses when you're changing them over, as you should do at all times, and lens cloth, that's all included in there, and a nice little K&F concept bag. That's a really nice touch. And you can see the sections you've got. Obviously it's all changeable, so you can have it however which way you like. By the way they've got it set up, they're looking at a small camera in the front here with a strap just to stop it from falling out. And you could have another medium-sized camera there, but you can also move these sections about, so you could have telephoto or telephoto facing down attached to the camera. I could probably actually get my whole Sony gear in here with at least 4 or 5 lenses, so that's quite good, to be honest. I'm surprised how much you'll be able to get in these. It's quite deep, so you haven't really got any issues there to worry about. I imagine it'd take most lenses stood up. Very nice. Nice little touch. And another nice little touch, a couple of pouches in the top. More pockets there, in the lid. A little mesh breathable one there as well, so you can use these if you wish. I did just take out to one side the rain cover. It is a K&F branded rain cover, so anyone who knows what K&F concept is, one of their bags will probably know as a camera bag, but hey. But this bag, I'm not sure on the price. I will link it down below if you want to pick one up for yourself anyway. I do know it's not expensive. A little top handle there, and on the feet you've got some nice plastic feet just to protect it if you're going to chuck it down on any dirty, wet floor. If you haven't got one, it's certainly worth looking at. Some of the K&F concept bags and products in general are great, and their travel stuff. Carbon fibre tripod that I looked at, this tripod, and all their bags really are quite impressive. Quite like them. So the giveaway, I'm actually going to run this as a single giveaway to one lucky viewer. They will win all 3 items. There are just a few things you've got to do to qualify. The first thing is to subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you so wish, hit the like button for this video. The only other stipulation for this giveaway, and it is to help grow the channel as much as anything else, is to share this video. Share it somewhere on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, anywhere that you like and you feel that other people might like the chance to win. It will obviously help the channel grow, but it will also put this in front of as many people as possible, so everyone's got an opportunity to win. The last thing I need you to do is comment below to say that you have actually shared the video, you're subscribed, and bonus points if you can let me know your favourite video of mine from the last 12 months. There is only one rule, and that is you cannot win if you know me on a personal level. I want to keep it open and honest. Whoever wins this will be someone that just enjoys the channel that I don't know, and that will hopefully get a lot of use out of these things. So if you know me, by all means share it, but unfortunately you can't win. I will say it doesn't matter where you are in the world. I've got a lot of you from the US and mainland Europe that watch my videos. At no cost to you, I will get these items to you one way or another. Winner will be selected at random. I will sort out a random way of doing that. You will be picked at random from the comments below, confirming that you've shared it online. Where you shared it would be great, just so we know, and obviously what your favourite video is. Just want to know what people enjoyed this year. Other than viewing figures, it's nice to know what people are enjoying so I can move forward into next year. So closing date for the competition is going to be the 24th of December. You have until Christmas Eve to get your name in the hat and hopefully win a nice little sack of goodies. The winner will be announced after Christmas Day, most likely around New Year, and the products will be shipped in the new year, so you've got something to look forward to once all the Christmas fun is gone. So I just want to say again, thank you so much for watching this year. Everyone that's watched the videos and that have enjoyed them, it's been a pleasure. I hope you've taken something away. There's quite a few of you that have commented and left feedback, and it's all seemed to have been really positive. For everyone that's been here for the last 12 months, thank you so much. It really means a lot. I've loved doing it, and I cannot wait to show you what we've got planned in 2020. Side note, I'll be launching a new Instagram account for everything that I like and work that I produce. That'll launch in the new year, although it's live now, so feel free to go and follow it if you want. Links for everything I've spoken about will be in the description down below. Have yourself an awesome Christmas, a great new year. As always, I'm Matt from Roto, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. All right then.